that's pointed better. So shit. Okay. Oh, so I am live. Okay. A little lag in there. All right. Cool. Well, I mean, that's pointed better. So shit. That bitch lagging. Okay. Alright. Oh, so I am live. Okay. A little lag in there. All right. See, we gonna post on Twitter real quick, man. That bitch lagging. Okay. Just live. Oh, live. I am live. Okay. A little lag in there. All right. Live on YouTube. We gonna post on Twitter real quick, man. That bitch lagging. Okay. Just chillen and retargeting slash. Oh, we doing live. Retargeting. Okay. A little lag in there. Retargeting live on YouTube. We gonna post on Twitter real quick, man. That bitch lagging. Okay. Just chillen and retargeting slash. Oh, we doing live. Retargeting. Okay. A little lag in there. Retargeting live on YouTube. We gonna post on Twitter real quick, man. That bitch lagging. Okay. Just chillen and retargeting slash. Oh, we doing live. Retargeting. Okay. A little lag in there. There we go. We gonna post on Twitter real quick, man. Okay. Just chillen and retargeting slash. Oh, we doing live. Retargeting. Okay. A little lag in there. There we go. We gonna post on Twitter real quick. Alright, man. You know. Okay. Just we have audio output from retargeting here too. Oh, we doing live. Let's just say. I just said I clicked on a random song.
How long does it take you to dial in your vocal chain? If you're using Xbox, probably just a few seconds. Check this out.
Everything right, my love, my life. You. Everything right. Run it up, Kel.
Okay. Alright. That makes sense. Cause I was getting confused. How the fuck she was in a constant loop? Oh, lie. And I just be listening to academics. And I don't even be. You know what I'm saying? If I use my speakers, will that create a static shock? Let's see. I really don't want headphones on.
And freedom of creation.
Look
architecture and interior design? Find a 3D designer today. Fiverr. Start now.
If you want to learn Python for a career in data science, IT, or engineering, then you need the complete Python Bootcamp course on Udemy. These videos and practice exercises help you learn the fundamentals and so much more. You can create a career-ready portfolio with advanced techniques taught by top-rated instructor Jose Portilla. And with anytime, anywhere learning, it fits your schedule. So get this course and code on.
That's fine. Like this is so much. Yeah, this IK that I did. This was so much closer. Yeah, that's what it was. I did all this last night. So I know I was gonna have to come back and fix it. Let's see. And then now let's open up AccuRig. If I'm correct.
Hydro.
AccuRig supports all different types of finger sizes, so that should be fine. As long as I can get those 4 fingers on control rate,
Tom, as you know, Hertz leads the rental car industry in electric vehicles. Can you tell me, how does electricity work? Bam!
Excuse me?
You the GOAT.
Can I phone a friend or something?
Aw, this is not that show, but look at Tom Brady calling audible.
standpoint. So width, because we're going straight to Unreal Engine, the important part's that we have the wrist in, because these are technically our hands. When we go back to track it, we want a wrist and we gotta go back to fingers, but we want our wrist. And then we want our feet, which would be our ankles. So for this creature guy, I'm assuming that would be right there. The only thing that would probably be a real big problem, but I'm sure we can hide it somehow. Normally with Unreal Engine 5, we have like a blending mode, and we have like a blending mode. We could like blend the animations, but we can't do that with UEFN. So we're just gonna have to try our best, but we're gonna try to get the foot to be right there, as if it was a mannequin. Get a little creative. Let me see. We'll come right here, grab this, put that there, grab this. Now let's just make sure it did. Okay, mother freaker. There we go. We're right there. I think that's good. Maybe a little bit more. Okay. God dang. See, this is kind of annoying. It's pretty annoying when that thing just floats. Looking right past the point where you want it to be. Let me see. All right, there we go. And that one's on. Now let's check the elbows. So everything else is important too. Because if anything's off, it's gonna mess up. The hands is just really important because we want to get the guns on this creature correct. All right. So let me see. And now we want to get the shoulders. Oh god dang it. Here. E. Alright, that works. Oh, come right here. Same things. Make sure they lined up pretty good. I'm not mad at these shoulders. I'm not mad at those shoulders. Now spine. That's a different question. Knees. Okay. This is toes. We don't need the toes to be wiggly, so I'm not too concerned about that. I just want them to be above the little claw mark. And go. There we go. Go. Okay. I think I got it. Alright. That's way too far. Let's look down like this. Top view. And come here. And come here. That works. Kinda. There we go. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna just play music while I'm doing this.
Move beyond the marketplace and get more control when you sell with Shopify. Craft your brand with customizable themes. And own your customer relationships with built-in marketing tools. Start your free trial with Shopify today.
No, sir. There we go.
So you think you know Wix, but do you really? First up, we've got shape video masks. You can use different shapes to create completely different vibes and aesthetics. Or you can create your own graphic. I use the shape composition here. Just import any SVG file and set it as a shape mask. Nice. Next up, we'll keep it moving with the hover box.
Fingers, we got 5, but this guy has 4 fingers, and this should really help with the retargeting.
Let me show you how we do stuff around here.
Actually, my department uses Monday.com, so I'm good.
A work management tool? No, that's not for me.
Well, Monday.com is all about flex.
Boom. All right. Pretty much got the joints. trying to get the thing better. Oh, what's up, FN2? A forever. Let me see. Not sure if you're talking or not. How's that? Is it better? Let me know if you can hear me. Because the audio was the most difficult part because I couldn't really hear myself. Let me see. And then we're going to go here. We're going to move this to there. Oh, you guys can't hear me. Okay. Let's pause real quick and fix this. A little closer, very quiet. See this microphone? I need to get one of those like tabletop microphones. So this is like right next to my mouth. Like the thing that holds the microphone up. At this point, I'm gonna have to put this shit on my screen. I got an idea. Hold on. I'm gonna use this. Set this bitch on here. Here we go. And then, oh, wait, I think I just figured out how to turn it up. I think I just turned it up. Can you hear me now? Hold up. Wait a minute. How about now? Oh shit. Is that too loud? Oh shit. Doop 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 doop. Alright, cool. Alright, yeah, it was a little knob on the little system. Alright, cool. So you couldn't hear me, so just like to review what I'm doing, this program is called AccuRig. It's made by Unreal Engine, and it basically lets you retarget the bone structure of already made like characters. So like this character came from the Epic Store, and the guy who made it, amazing, he did an amazing job at creating this, but the rig system was nothing like the Unreal Engine mannequin rig system. So you know, we just have to retarget the buttons, retarget the bones. And also this guy had like 4 fingers. So the other, you know, the mannequin has 5 fingers, so the structure was messed up and it had less fingers. So we have to retarget the whole thing, see if we can use it in Unreal, because this guy's pretty cool. He's gonna be like the little cave monsters that you guys have to fight and stuff. So hopefully this works, man. But yeah, so I'm gonna keep retargeting. This little structure to the right works right there. Structure to the right works right there. And this little chart right here shows where it should be lined up at. So that's like the fingertip. Goes right there. Here. Here. And this is for the thumb. These guys are for the thumb. So we're coming around. Gonna move this right there. It's right there. They want him to be right here. It looks like it's right. And this should be all the way at the end, which is a tricky one. That's a tricky one. It'll be right there. Okay. Yep. Cool. Thank you guys for helping me figure out my sound, because that was kind of hard. Really appreciate it. Let me see. All right. So, right hand is done. Move that off the screen. Sorry, left hand is done. All right, now next hand. Same thing. We're gonna take this guy over here, move it, line it up. It says it should be the middle. And this should be for the tip, but we want the tip to be right underneath the fingernail. So this guy got some claws on him. There we go. This should be right there. Should be right there. Good stuff. And same thing. Uh-oh. How's there a fire truck in the rain? I don't feel like that makes sense. Alright. Move this right there. And then right underneath the fingertip like the last one. Just cricketed that all up. Boom. Bam. Bam. On point. Alright. 2 more to go. Almost done with this guy. Chum, chum, chum. Right there and right there. But it is really crooked. Just move it like that. Move it like that. That. Right there. Okay. Same thing. Underneath the fingernail. Underneath the fingernail. Got right there. Move that right there. 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 Okay. And we're done. Shoot, do. Finalize character. Hopefully that worked. How do I see if people are on? Oh, there's the YouTube button. All right. Rigged up. He's moving. Let me see. Hands. Okay. Oh no. Super big hands. It's kind of clipping through the face, but that's just the animation itself. That's not the actual. It's not the actual rig. It's because he's so big. Play. Oh, those are poses? I don't know what happened. There we go. Okay, see that's working good. There we go. There we go. All right. So now let's export this guy back into UEFN. Sorry, we don't use Maya. That's for squares, and we use Unreal. All right, for the cool kids. Max texture size 248. Export. Cobalt imports. Save. There we go. Back to Unreal. Let's go. Import it. There we go. All right. Let's see. Cobalt. And we're gonna import this guy in. Hold up. Wait a minute. Oh, that's weird. Give me all those. I just need that. Everything should be good out the box. Don't have to really touch anything in there. If only missing bones. IK. Cool. We don't need them anyways. So it's missing the textures. So let's just go ahead and open this back up right here. Come here. Couple NPC. And if we open up this guy, I don't know how we both have them with the same names. Let's go here. Hopefully it did not mess up. Yep, still there. Okay, cool. Yep. Colored, and then grab this guy, and then bring him over here, and then colored. Cool. Got him back in there. Let's check out the new structure. So this is the new structure. Look over on this side. So we got pelvis, spine, 1, 2, 3, clavicle, arms, hand. It looks so similar to the actual FN rig. If we go here, we can just grab it real quick. Characters, player base, open this guy up. Oh yeah, that's right, you can't do it because everything's locked. Yo, that shit is so annoying, bro. Why is everything locked? Alright. Where did I put them? Enemies, FN. So this is the IK rig I made for it. And if you look, if you compare this new one I made, if you compare, let's go back to skeleton. If you compare the skeleton structure, you have the pelvis, spine, 1, 2, 3, clavicle, upper, lower, hand, right? And then if you go to the FN base, you have pelvis, spine, 1, 2, 3. This has 4 or 5, not that big of a deal, but you have clavicle, upper arm, lower arm, handle. It's so much more similar. And now to the FN, it'll be way easier to rig this guy up with probably no problems. So let's just name this old because we don't want to get rid of it. So let's name it old. Let's go to import, and then it's going to create a new IK rig. Just click on this guy, create IK rig, cobalt. Then we go here, then we go new IK cobalt. Cool beans. And then we're gonna go here. I want to get rid of just all these old things I had up. Alright, and then let's just create the rig now. So we're gonna go to pelvis, and on the pelvis we're gonna go set retarget root. Then we're gonna go to spine. Nope, we're not gonna start with the spine. Wait, is this old or new? Oh, okay, tripped myself up there real quick. That's cool. I didn't know we had access to all the other bones because I couldn't retarget them. So we're gonna start with the arm. We're gonna go with clavicle, upper, lower, hand. And we're gonna go new retarget chain, add chain. And then we're gonna go clavicle, right, upper, lower, hand. And add chain. And then we're gonna go, see? So you look over here, you have the L, and then we have the L, and then we have the R, then we have the R. I'm gonna go to leg, thigh, calf, foot. Retarget, add chain. Thigh, calf, foot, add target, got chain. Hey babe. Yep. It's in the drawer. The tall one. You're silly. You're silly. Alright. Oh, it's my girl. She's a silly one. Alright, and we're gonna go to spine. Actually, let me recheck just in case I'm off. Sometimes I get off with this. Yeah, I do spine and then I do neck head. So we're gonna go spine, we're gonna go new target, and we're gonna add chain, and then we're gonna go to neck, head, and then we're gonna go add chain. And now we have to do all the fingers that we just did. Now the tricky part is there's only 4 fingers on our character but we're retargeting to 5. So if we go to FN base, and this should work, just do the fingers that are listed in the order and then leave the fingers out that wouldn't be in order. I feel like that would work with any characters that have missing fingers for like creatures and stuff. So we do, if you look in this list, we do index, middle, pinky, ring, thumb. So index, middle, pinky. Let's remember that. I like to remember in threes because I'm not as smart as other people, so threes work good for me. So index, middle, pinky, index, middle, pinky, and we don't have a ring, so that would be our 4. So the 5 would be the thumb, and we just skipped that. So now we're minusing the ring finger. I think this is the ring finger. So we're minusing the ring finger. This guy has 4, but he has a thumb still. Somehow. I thought we were advanced because never mind. Stupid joke. Alright, there you go. Thumb. And we're going to do the same thing with the other hand. So go. So we're going to go index, middle, pinky, thumb. So we go index. There we go middle. And then we go pinky. And we go thumb. And we go add solver. Go full body solver. And we go back up to where we laid our root, which we laid it on the pelvis, not on the actual root bone, but on the pelvis. And then on the pelvis, we are going to go set root bone on selected solver, and that sets the selected solver. And then we're going to go to our hands and our feet. So this is why it was very important to get those hands locked on, because now we can go add new IK goal, and then we can go add new IK goal, and we go to the foot, add new IK goal, and we go to the next foot, add new IK goal. Okay, now let's see. I'm in a retarget now, and I already had a retarget up for that last failed attempt we had. So this is going to be new IK, right? And now we look at this chain mapping. This chain mapping looks much closer, right? Head is missing. Head should be neck, and now they're on sync together. So we got spine, neck, left arm, left middle, middle, index. All right, cool. Hand, middle, thumb, index, pinky, middle, thumb, index, pinky, left leg, right leg, left leg, right leg. Okay, all done. Now what I like to do is, a lot of times like the sizing is off, and like if your character, they don't tell you this, but if your character is like super huge, say you have like a giant character, I haven't found a solution yet, maybe someone else has, but if you have a giant character, it's not going to work with retargeting, so you're going to have to size the character down in your blueprint that you make. So the best thing to do, as far as what I found, is I will layer the characters right on top of each other. I will change the view like this, so I can kind of get like a gauge of like the height, and then I'll scale it down. Just I want to match up this with that because this neck is so far forward, and that's also gonna probably mess up the retargeting because it's not like a normal humanoid. Like if I was retargeting to like something I made in another like actual like humanoid character that's a human, it would work a lot better. But since like these shoulders are pushed back more and the arms are a little bit longer, it's already like funky to begin with. So that's the problem. So let's just try to line this head up with where that head is in height. We got it, that's good. And now we want to save this parameter right here. We want to Control C it, and then we want to go to our blueprint, I'm sure most of you guys, if anyone's actually in here, I'm sure you guys already know this. Let me see, and then we go here, and we go there, and then boom, just paste it, so change the height of it. All right, and then also we need to change this guy out, because that's not the one we're using. Wait, is that the one we're using? No, that's old. We're using imported, which is this guy. Get them in there. And yeah, there we go. Complete. Save. Size the same. Everything's the same. Okay. So let's push changes and try it again. Get some carbohydrates in, man. Uh-oh. Hold on. What happened? We hit a roadblock. Hell. Launch. There we go. She always takes forever. Alright. Ain't Yeah, it's gonna take a minute to load. Says there's 2 people in here. Who's the 2 people? Okay, that was actually pretty fast. All right, let's check them out now. Grab this, let's go. Sorry, looking kind of better. Oh, still kind of fucked up. Still kind of messed up. It's a little bit better than the first one though. So the hands need to be offset a little bit. What is that? What are they using? They're using the right hand. Die. Alright. Let me see. So the hands are messed up. So if they're pulling with the right hand, but the right hand is literally clipping into their face, and that's the X. See if you rotate. Let's see. So we need to go into here. Retarget. And let's just move this guy over. So it looks like these goals need to be reset. So here is the tricky part. Just want to draw those a little bit better. Like that. Okay. Here's the tricky part. Right hand, right, pull, right hand. So that's my guy's right hand. Should I change the blend of source? So this is all playing with the settings right here. I don't think we should transition. Scales the amount of transition that is applied exactly ever depends on the translation mode. Source weight. I feel like it should be the opposite, not more up. It should be less up. Let's see. We blend the source up. That moves his hands up, and we don't want his hands to move up. We actually kind of want them to move down. Blend source weight. Weight each axis separately when using the blend source. Well, you have the Z in translation, which is up and down. You have X's go this way, and then Y goes this way. So we don't need to touch the Y, which goes this way. The height could be lowered a little bit because they are moving kind of high. So let's try 7.5, see what happens. And then the X, which is the left, right, actually needs to be moved a lot. The X needs to be moved a shit ton. So let's just go here and do 5. Let's try a little bit more and do 4. Okay. Yeah. I'm just want to play with this and see what happens. So we're gonna blend it by 4. Yeah. So really, when you have to get those hand settings, it's really just playing with those translations, the X, Y, and the Z, to see how close you can get. Like, honestly, where's my camera at? It's right here. I'm gonna turn this into a video later and just like cut it up and see what happens. So, but normally when you're doing it, you want to play with those settings a little bit, a lot bit. Sometimes depending on the character. In our example, our character, we have to play with it a lot bit because these guys are messed up, man. What that meme? 5 minutes later. Go. Okay. Let me fix this spawn time. What the hell? Weapons. There you go. Bam. Let's go. How we looking? Okay, it looks worse. Okay, it looks worse. You know what I'm gonna try? I'm gonna see what they look like with the gun, because maybe it's just the action of the bow. Because if these guys weren't so, their hands weren't so big, it wouldn't be that much of a problem. Alright, let's go in here. Let's click on this guy. Whoop, there we go. Alright, so we're gonna keep the bow on some of them. I'm just gonna make that. What's going on? Oops, I'm tripping. Alright, And let's go to this cobalt. Let's go to our behavior. We'll take our behavior and we're gonna duplicate this behavior. And we're gonna make these let's say shotgun. It's gonna come in here. What's kind of annoying, I wish they would just put this in the spawner part. But like every time we need to like change the weapon source, if I'm correct, because the main way I found to do it is you have to make a new behavior for each like guard. So if you had like the same character but you had them with like 3 to 10 different weapons, you would need 3 to 10 different behaviors, which is, I feel like it's kind of overkill, but I guess there's a reason for everything. They're definitely smarter than me, so there's a reason for it, but it's kind of annoying. Let me see. Just give him a gun. Save, Westfall, and that. And then let's also come back over here and let's just make these like 1 second, bro. That shit was crazy. Alright. Save. Push changes again. And let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Oh man. 10 minutes later. 1 day later. 8 days later. 1 month later. 3 months later. Jesus Christ. That's like the main thing I miss from Unreal Engine. Just, you press play, everything's already updated, changed, happens in about 5 seconds. Boom, in there. Gotta wait, whole lifetime, nigga. All right. Pick up. In the car. Let's go. So main thing is I just want to see what the shotgun looks like. Wait. Did I not change them out, man? They all got bone. I forgot to do it, major. God dang it. Alright, we gotta go back. And I forgot to change this out. Being a dummy. Moving too fast, being a dummy. And then, so I already did that. I'm just gonna go back here and I want to change the blending sources back. What did I mess up? No, 0. Let's change the blending sources back. Those arms are just bothering me so much, man. Alright, let me see. be up in there any day now. Alright, so let's see how the shotgun looks. Zoom, 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 zoom. That gun is so far off of his body, it's crazy. Holy cow. That is his right arm, right? He's standing this way. You know, like that. Right here. So it's so far in his body, it's clipping through his middle section. So that means this whole area needs to be brought out all the way here on the right axis. So the whole thing needs to be brought out here, which is this is X, this is X, this is Y, this is Z. So it needs to be brought up on positive X. So positive X needs to come out here, way over here. Okay. Let me see. No, everything's right on this. Can't be the eye case. Literally, it's the body structure for sure. All right. So that right arm is so bad. We're on the right arm. Yeah. Okay. Right arm. Could that be rotation? If it has to come up like that. It also, what other things could it be? It could also be the bend in the arm. This arm is bending, but this looks like it's bending hella. Let's see if we can fix that. Cobalt. It's got SK. I know they added this new thing in here. But can we edit skeleton? Can we really edit the skeleton? Can we really edit the skeleton? Hey, see how bent that is? I just wanna unbend that, but that's not working. Fuck. That's not working at all. Let's fix what I just touched. Edit skeleton. What if it's this? No. Nah, I knew it. Can't edit the skeleton. I can't even move the bone. So edit the skeleton. I can't move the bone. Don't make no sense. Use transform. Yeah, I'm saying it don't make no sense. You can't edit the skeleton. It's a nice skeleton though. Let me see. Back to it. So we want to play with this, the X, and X is fucked up. We want it to blend to source. If we do that, that can't be right, man. That don't even make sense to be right. Translation mode. Let me go back over here. So this is the point where we just start pressing stuff. Keep pressing. until we find a solution. Let's see. Nah. Interpolate. Keep interpolated. We're gonna leave rotation alone. Cause it's that the arm translation is going through the body with the shotgun. And it's going, when it's up top, it's going through the head with the bow. So it's all translation. Everything needs to be pulled out. Everything needs to be pulled outward. Yeah, that's all rotation. Don't want to do that. Let's see. Go back. Should I just turn the IK off completely? Because that's kind of moving it. Scale vertically. See, that's up, down, vertically. We don't want vertical. That's extending it. That kind of makes sense. This is a tricky one, isn't it? Let me see. Oh. I think I found it. I think I found it. It'd be on the negative. Okay, so let's see where we're at with 0. 0, 0. So let's try on the, let's go -5. -10. Alright, let's try that -10 right there. Let's push the change. See what happens. Might have to sit down in a second. God damn. The good part is, once this gets figured out, it'll be a piece of cake for the rest of the humanoid type creature enemies. Still got like a werewolf to get in here. Still got some the humanoids, they're like the humans. Those will be easy, like the little bandits and stuff around the map. Those will be easy. But we got a lot of. I can go back and I'll be able to fix the other ones. I'll be able to fix the what are those called? Murlocs, or fake Murlocs. They're like geckos, but we're making them toads. I'll be able to fix their positions because they're not close enough to the bones. And then we'll be able to put the goblins in. Goblin, yeah, we still gotta get the goblins in. Have a forest golem. We have to put the golem in because in the original Westfall and WoW, if you guys played it before, there's like these harvest golems. So we're just gonna like add some hate to the golem and stuff. We're gonna just add some textures and substance painter and stuff. But those will be easy to get done. Once this gets fixed out, everything else can be easy. This is literally probably the hardest one. And then we have like some crabs and scorpions that I have some cool stuff that I did with Control Rig from a tutorial I found on Twitter that was linked to a Udemy. So that'll be really cool when I get to do the crabs and the skeleton, the crab and the scorpions. But for now, all right, we're ready to go. Okay, let's go. Let's go. Bam, bam. Ah, bam. Jump up in here. Let's go. Let's see. Ah, jump in the car. Shotgun is still going through the body. Let me think. I'm gonna retarget. Take that out. What happens when we turn IK off? Let's turn IK off completely on those. On the hands. Let's turn the hands IK off. Because the typical way we do it to get everything to match is using the IK. But that's typically with humans. But this is a reptile type creature thing. So maybe that just isn't doing it. And then also, let's go to settings. Actually, I don't want to mess up all my settings. So let's go to, let's come down here. In our little test pad, let's go to devices. We're going to create like a little God mode for us. So we can just keep testing out without them like killing us and shit. Because we're not testing out like if their accuracy, the mechanics of like playing it. We're literally just trying to let's go to health. We literally just want to see the positions. So if they're killing us, we're not going to be able to see the positions. Max health infinity. Let me see. Relay 0.1 100 God mode. Go class slot 1 class slot 1. Okay, max out 10,000. Okay, we're gonna stop this. And then also let's separate these guys a little bit further. So it's kind of annoying. Like you get to them and they're automatically like attacking you together, too bunched up. Alright, there we go. Alright. Push changes. Try again. We put like a little thing down there. Alright, damn, it's so windy. I was about to get a scooter. What is my mic picking up? Holy shit. Hey, damn. That's your response. Turn it down a little bit. Oh, that one controls. Hey yo. Hello. There we go. I didn't even think about that. We should be up in a second. Fortnite. Here we're up. Okay. Grab weapon. Class selector. 10,000 health. Alright, cool. Let's drive up. Good look at them. Okay. Oh, it's working. This is a user error for sure. This is definitely not an epic error. This is a user error. Huh. Let me see. It's not even in his hand. I feel like before with the IK on, it was at least in his hand. Let's go check out the bow, people. Same thing. Not even in his hand. Not in either of the hands. It's in the middle of the body. That's with IK off. With IK off, at least one of them were in the hands. Alright. Let's go back. Let me see. Bam. Let me go. So let's for sure turn IK back on. Let's look at our chain mapping again. So we have left arm, right arm, right arm. The thing is, the feet were moving fine. I don't know if the feet were moving fine, man. So it has to be the weapon is just, the weapon's just not in the hands at all. If you look at that, okay, that is oh, why is it right there? The freak, it should be right here. Is that why? Because now it's on point right there. Okay. Okay. Let's try it. I mean, let's try it. Can't hurt nothing. Cause that's weird. That was way off. It's not even in our hands. I gotta sit. Ooh. Damn, if I sit, I'm gonna have to redo my microphone. Never mind. Back up. There we go. Alright, fuck it. Oh, we've been off. We're off like an hour and 30. Alright. Keep slide. Keep nine. Alright. Let me see. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. Trying to figure it out. Alright, let's go. Bam, 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 bam. Alright, let's do it. How are we looking now? Okay. Oh, right. That's actually better. That is better. It's still very off, but at least now it's not in the middle of the body no more. Because before it was in the middle of the body. So at least now it's not in the middle of the body. It's moving with the arms now. Okay, so that's one goal done. Got the moving with the arms. See right here. Same thing. It's actually moving with the arms now. Okay. Yay. Yay. Hurrah. If I had like a little emote. Hurrah. It's moving with the arms now. That's good. Okay. So now everything's just way too close. What would that be? Is that just because of the animation itself? Yeah, like it's actually moving now, but actually moving, but now it's just so kind of so off. All right, let me see here. Same thing with these guys. Yeah, it's just now it's just a little. So if I blend that, if I source blend that a little bit more down, like I think that, let's see, exit. Boom. All right. Let me see. You know something it could also be? It could also be the size of the character. The thing we talked about originally, it could definitely be the size of the character. So let's go to, fuck am I doing? Spaced out there for a second. See that right there? Still not on. Someone's in trouble. We want to scale down. Yep, like that. We want to scale down. So 0.88. Go. Maybe see that little star there? Want that to be in the middle of the hand. Yeah. Alright. I think I figured it out. So to take away what we wanted to play with the whole time, by pressing buttons, we figured it out. We want to play with the scale vertically, the extension. We want to have the blend source be all the way to 1. So when the blend source isn't to 1, it's like down there, and you want to play with that until you find out where you want your gun to be held. So then you move in right there, and then we go scale to vertical. See that little box? We want to move that box down right there. And the extension, the guns are right here, right? So we want the guns to be in the hand. So we want to get the extension right in the center of our hand. See that? And clip through the mesh. See it right there? It's right there in the hand. A little bit lower. We want to get that on point much as possible. Vertical down. Extension. Blend the source 100%. What the fuck? What was that? Go here. Go pull. No. Whatever we just touched there, we'll get rid of. You want to make you some tea later? I mean, do it before you work, you know what I mean? Okay. Let me go here. Let me go. Yeah, we're right there. Okay. So let's remember 68.94. Go over to this one and do the same thing. All right, we figured it out. 0.68. Okay, we didn't figure it out. There you go, back here. Go. So we want to get that box down right there, and we want to move it right there. And that is pretty close to the middle of the hand, if I don't say so myself. Let's say a little bit more up right there. There we go. Alright, I think now he looks super weird. Let's see what happens. Oh boy. Loading up. Boom, boom, boom. All right. Was that accurate? I don't know why that's still up. All right. Let's test it out. Health, weapon, go. Oh, look at that. It's in his hands, kinda. It's in his hands, kinda. You know what I'm saying? Kind of moving like a reptilian, a little janky. You know what I'm saying? A little janky, but it's there, you know. Yeah. All right, that's much better. I'm happy with that for right now. You know what I'm saying? I'm happy with that for right now. All right, let's go look at the bows. I think the bows are gonna look better. Look at that in his hand. Yeah, we could mess with those settings a little bit more, and we could perfect it. But I have like 8 more creatures and humans to do, so we're just gonna leave them like this, and I like it. It's just they're clipping so hard, but it's working. Look at that, weapons in his hand. Yeah, clipping through them, but it's a video game. All right, see you later. Bow, bow, bow. Bow. Killing lizards, Mom. Mom, I'm killing lizards. I'm killing lizards, Mom. All right, cool. That's dope. We also need to go and so now that we know the method to fixing our creatures, we can go to not Cobalt, we can go to our Murloc. Where's my Murlocs? Murloc. And then let's bring up their retarget. We can do the same thing. Let's move these guys over. Because you know their hands are so long. Like these guys' hands are like super long. So we're gonna do the same thing with them. Did I not put an IK on these guys? I didn't even put an IK on these guys. Alright, let's do it. So I'll go to handle. We don't even have a full body server. Holy moly. I was tired last night. I didn't even think about it. Alright, set room bone solver. Then we go to hand. New IK goal, assign. And then we go to hand. New IK goal, assign. And then we go to foot. New IK goal, assign. And then we go to other foot. New IK goal, assign. And then we go to save. And then we're gonna go back to our Murloc. And you see that? That is way too far. That's where the target's at. But we have it right here. Same thing as last time. Let's blend the source completely over here. Change the scale vertical to get that little ball right there. Change the extension to be a little bit closer. And then we're going to do the same thing with the left arm. We're going to blend the source completely. And then we're going to scale vertical. And then we're going to go do extension and get it right there in the middle. Cool. And then just because we're already here, and you know, rechanges really suck. So we're just going to move these right here, and we're gonna, god damn. Yeah. I'll mute this shit. Okay, with that changed, save, push these new changes, and I think this, if this works, this will be a wrap, and I'm gonna go ahead and log off because I gotta wake my son up in a second. He's been napping too long. I don't know how he's been napping through all of this. Yeah, he was tired. He had dark circles around his eyes. Huh? Start school back on Monday, though.
Yeah, we can reset tomorrow. Wait, the girl was supposed to be here today.
No, she starts next week. Yeah. Babysitter come next week. Next week on Saturday. Speak of the devil.
Your ears must have been burning, Kenny.
Speak of the devil. Look at you. What's up, man?
Good morning, baby.
Why you look so mad? Hi.
Sorry.
Okay.
Why are you sorry? What'd you do?
All right. Loading.
Did you sleep good?
Loading.
Kenny, did you have a good nappy? Kenny, did you nap good?
Mom's talking to you. All right. Why is it doing that? All right. Health, weapon, in here. All right. Let's look at the hands with the little adjustments I made.
Where's Daddy doing?
Daddy's driving the car. Oh, look at that. Yeah, it's just a little bit better. Still clip it through the body, but they're in his hands perfectly. They're definitely in his hands. Okay. Bow. Move out the way. And let's go get him. All right. Let's go check out the Murlocs. Get Ollie over here. Yeah, son. Maybe 2 more years you'll be playing video games with Dad, man. 2 more years. Making games, playing it with Dad. Alright. Let's hop out the car. Put the wings on. Let's check out the Marlocks. Oh, look at them. Yep. They're now in the hands. They're in the hands. They're grabbing them. And it's working. Cool. We did it. Alright. Goal completed. Bam. Okay. Appreciate everyone that watched. Logging off. This will be up to rewatch. So if you're interested in learning how to do IK rigs for creatures, go ahead and watch this. And yeah, we figured it out today. Peace. Visuals. Ooh, that made me happy.